It's the scalp knots for me. Full detailed tutorial on how to achieve this look starting now. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back, and if this is your first time seeing me, welcome. As you guys can see, I have a new microphone. My last microphone was, I had to replace it. It was given kind of bootleg. Okay, I can turn this off. Okay, I can turn this off. Sorry. Okay, I can turn this off. Sorry. It was given real Canal Street over here, all right? So I've upgraded, and now I got a mic. Now I feel like I need to start giving you guys relationship advice.
Oh my. Oh my.
Stay tuned. In all actuality, they actually do that on my other channel, Being Faithfully Asia. If you're not subscribed over there, make sure you go over there after you finish this video. Event, guys, I am reviewing a unit from a new vendor today. So without any further ado, let's get into this review. Guys, I am enjoying my microphone, come with sound effects and everything. This is the unit I'll be reviewing today. It is a bob, and I'm so excited to be reviewing a bob. Ever since I saw Lori Harvey simply rock her bob at Fashion Week, I've been waiting to review a bob. I feel like she did it really nicely with the baseball cap. Bobs are not just for summer. Bobs are perfect all year round units. They're the perfect throw on and go units. I took a quick look at this unit and I think you guys are gonna like it. One thing that I will say about IDNhair is that they use skin knots. So if you guys are not really familiar with the differences with the lace, the skin knots is when they use 1 to 2 knots per hole. So it gives more of a natural skin type look as opposed to looking more like grids. And as you guys can see, it looks skin-like, right? So you don't really see the knots on this unit. It gives you more of a scalp appearance. So when it comes to buying lace wigs, that's probably like next in line next to the lace. Of course, HD lace is going to be the most invisible lace that you can have. It's a thinner lace. However, it is a lot more delicate than, say, Swiss lace. So Swiss lace is like the next step down from HD. It's a little bit more durable, but it's not as invisible as HD lace. So let me go ahead and show you the cap construction. This is the amount of lace you're going to get. So as you can see, you're going to have ample amount of space to part. They have a nice defined cap with the elastic band in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. And it also has the 3 little claps on the side. So it gives you more option on where you want to place the elastic band for a more comfortable fit. I really like that. The only other vendor that I know that does that is Hair VV. So that is a very good plus for IDNhair. You guys know I don't typically do the ball cap method. However, I did go to New York last week and I was able to get some sheer stockings because it's so hard for me to find them in LA. So I think I'm going to do a ball cap for this install because I really want to lay this unit down. And I haven't done a ball cap in so long. I hope I didn't forget how to do it. Okay guys, so let's make this ball cap. I cut off one leg of the stocking. You want to cut off enough room so that the foot of the stocking could fit over your head. I'm going to lay this ball cap down using my Boho Liquid Gold, and I'm going to apply that to the perimeter of my hairline. Once I'm finished, I'm going to take the blow dryer and blow that dry. Now it's time to cut off the remaining stocking, and you want to cut off the stocking to make sure that it ends behind the spot where you wish to place your lace. Next, I take my concealer / foundation powder and I apply that to the top of the stocking just to get the stocking cap to blend in with my complexion. Now I'm going on top of that using my wet wash rag just to clean up any area that may have had too much adhesive applied to it because it is giving white and you don't want that to shine through once you apply your lace. Next, because this is a kinky straight unit, I am going to go over that using my flat iron. This combination is a perfect combination. If you don't have this, girls, you have to get it. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But this brush and this flat iron is the perfect combination for flat ironing my units. It's a 2-inch flat iron, which means that it covers more hair and it allows you to flat iron the hair at a faster rate. And the brush helps you provide that tension to allow you to get the hair extremely straight using one pass. Next, I decided I wanted to keep the side part, so I added a little curve in the back, and I'm just kindly going over that using my flat iron. Now, I just want to show you guys the part-in space. You're going to get about 4 inches of part-in space. Now, before I install the unit, I do prefer to flat iron the edges of the unit, and this is going to allow everything to lay down straight, and it allows it to have more of that melted look. Just want to show you guys the cut of this unit really quickly before I begin the install. Okay, looks like I still got it. Still know how to do my ball cap. Now it's time to put the wig on. Now I'm just trying the unit on, and I'm just showing you guys these skin knots. You guys can already see how natural this unit is looking on my head, and I haven't even laid it down yet. So to apply the unit, I'm going to go in with that same boho liquid gold. But before I do, I did go over my skin using some of my alcohol, because you want to make sure that there's no makeup on it. Because once you get the makeup with the adhesive, it just doesn't end up being a good look. So you want to make sure you always clean your skin before applying that adhesive. Now, just to clarify, the boho liquid gold is not a glue, it is a temporary hold, and I did go on top of that bold hold using my Even New York Supreme lace spray. Now, neither one of these are actually glue. These are both easily removable by simply taking a damp cloth and wiping the skin. Once I got the glue to be tacky, I laid the lace down on top, and then I started combing through with my comb, and that is just going to help the lace to marry with the skin and create that melt that we love so much. Then I went over the hairline once again with my flat iron to get everything to lay really straight and nice and sleek. Next, you're just going to cut off the lace, and I like to cut off my lace right before the hairline. The closer you get to the hairline, the less lace you have to worry about camouflaging with your skin. Once again, I'm going over with that damp cloth just to clean off any excess adhesive. I laid the hair down for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then before this install is complete, I went on top of that using my concealer to clean up the part-in space and give it more of a natural look. Then I followed up with my root touch-up to clean up that part. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. I really love how this turned out. This unit laid very nice. It looks very natural. I like the fact that the kinky straight in this hair actually straightened to remove some of them kinks, because I hate sometimes when you get hair and it just has those really stubborn kinks and it's just like extra kinky. Like, they kind of OD sometimes. But as I mentioned, this hair does have the scalp knots, and you guys could see just how natural these knots look. So I'm not really sure what length this unit is. They didn't send me the specs on this unit. However, I'm going to put the specs across the screen for you to have it. I will say that this bob is very full. I know sometimes you might get like the little skimpy bobs. This is not one of those, okay? So you're going to have a lot of hair in this unit, even though they have these scalp knots and they're only 1 to 2 strands per hold. They're still able to maintain the thickness. And as I mentioned, it comes with the clean bleach knots and a clean hairline. So this is a full frontal unit. It's about, I think it's a 13 by 4. But instead of just being like a little small section, You can part it down the sides on both sides as well. So you do have a lot of options when it comes to styling this unit. As I mentioned, I don't know exactly the price point, but I define natural is not exactly cheap. So girls, you're going to need to get your coins for this one. Okay. Hopefully they'll send me a coupon code. If they do, I'll be sure and put that across the screen. And I also have it linked in the description box down below. I want to do an outfit of the day for you guys. I do want to attempt to rock this unit with a hat. Actually, I'm going to go grab the hat and just kind of give you guys an idea of how cute it looks with the hat. Okay, so I didn't really have any hat to really style, but I grabbed one from out of my closet and I paired it with this dress. I personally believe that the contrast between the dressy and the casualness of the hat is what really makes this outfit pop. Give it a try on your end and let me know what you think. So dolls, before we get out of here, of course, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, is going to be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're not already subscribed to this family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the faithful fam. And while you're at it, check out my other channel as well. And guys, as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.